Today we're going to be making a Scott & Jon's Shrimp Fajita 10-minute meal. To begin, preheat your skillet on a stovetop over medium-high heat. We recommend using a 10-inch non-stick skillet like this ceramic-coated one. Next, you'll want to add a tablespoon or so of cooking oil to your already heated skillet. I'm using olive oil, but feel free to use whatever oil you prefer. Once the oil is heated, add in the veggies and shrimp. Cook them for 2 minutes, stirring frequently. After the 2 minutes, stir in the seasoning pouch and continue cooking the shrimp for about 5 more minutes. Don't forget to stir regularly to ensure that all the shrimp cook evenly and nothing sticks to the pan. Your cooking time will vary based on the kind of pan and stovetop you are using, but what you are looking for is firm shrimp that are opaque white in the middle. If you're a little nervous about cooking shrimp, you can always use an instant read meat thermometer to check their internal temperature, which should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit and fully cooked. And that's it. Remove the pan from heat and you're ready for a delicious fajita night. I'm serving my fajitas on flour tortillas with sour cream and salsa, but you could serve yours over rice, your favorite grain, as a taco salad, or even use the 10-minute meal as a starter to make tortilla soup or a Mexican frittata. Don't forget to check out scottandjons.com for tips, recipe ideas, and more.